If you work a normal 9 to 5 and still feel like your money disappears every month, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to save £10,000 in 1 year without a side hustle, without earning more, and without turning your life into punishment. Most people fail at saving because they're fixing the wrong problem. In the next few minutes, I'll show you what actually works. Now, this does not involve waking up at 4 a.m., dropshipping, or pretending you love flipping furniture on Facebook Marketplace. This also isn't about skipping coffee forever or living like a monk. It's about identifying the hidden money leaks that quietly drain your income while you're busy working a 9 to 5 and wondering why payday feels shorter every month. Stick with me, because at the end of this video, you will have a clear, realistic system to save £10,000 without hating your life. Step 1. The 24-hour rule. Think of it as a cooling off period for your wallet. Here's how it works. Anytime you want to buy something non-essential, you wait 24 hours. That's it. I know, shocking, mind-blowing stuff to say the least. But here's why this works so well. Your brain on shopping is not logical. It's emotional, impulsive, and heavily influenced by boredom. Ever bought something late at night and thought the next morning, why the hell did I buy this? That wasn't you. That was dopamine. Now let's talk about numbers. That daily £4 coffee, that's around £1,200 a year. Weekly takeaways, that's roughly £780 a year. Add a few random Amazon purchases and suddenly you're spending around £2,500 a year on things that felt small at the time. Behavioral finance research consistently shows that delaying a purchase dramatically reduces impulse spending. Most urges disappear if you don't act on them immediately. Think of the 24-hour rule like the bouncer for your bank account. Most bad purchases don't make it past the door. Here's a quick exercise. Do this now. Think of the last 3 impulse purchases you made. Got them? Those are your money leaks. And once you can see them, you can actually stop them. Step 2. The reverse budget trick. Most people budget like this. Spend first, save whatever's left over, which is usually nothing. That's like saying I'll start eating healthy once I finish all this junk food. Good luck with that. So instead, we flip the order. If you want to save £10,000 in a year, you need to save £834 per month. That number sounds aggressive because it is. But here's the key shift. That £834 becomes your first bill, not your last. Think of it as rent you pay to your future self. On payday, that money moves immediately into savings. It goes before your groceries, before the bills, before Netflix, and before your brain starts negotiating with itself. This works because of Parkinson's law. Spending expands to fill whatever money you have available. Give yourself less to spend, and somehow you will adapt. People don't fail to save because they can't. They fail because they don't automate it. I had a colleague who saved £11,000 doing exactly this. No side hustle, no selling a kidney on the dark web, just automatic transfers and pretending that money never existed. If £834 feels impossible, adjust it. £500 a month is still £6,000 a year. £300 a month is £3,600. Progress beats perfection. After watching this video, set up that transfer. Your future self will be thrilled. Before we go on to step 3, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel now. 1 to 2 personal finance videos for the UK are released every week, so you don't want to miss time-sensitive information that will help you grow your wealth. Much appreciated. Step 3. Debt. Debt is like one of those friends who crashes on your sofa for a few days but never leaves. In the UK, many credit cards still charge 20 to 30% APR. That means every pound you're trying to save is being quietly eaten alive by interest. So here's the debt avalanche version. List all your debts, identify the highest interest rate, pay the minimum on everything else, and then attack the highest rate aggressively. This works because of simple maths. Paying 25% interest while earning 4% on savings is like trying to fill a bath with the plug out. Now here's the move most people don't make, but should. Call your credit card provider. Yes, an actual phone call. And yes, you're going to speak to a human. If you've been a customer for years and you've never missed a payment, you have leverage. Banks spend hundreds of pounds acquiring new customers. They'd often rather reduce your APR than lose you. So here's what you can say when you speak to them. Hi there. I've been a customer for several years and I have never missed a payment. I've seen other cards offering much lower rates. So instead of me switching providers, can you please review my APR? The best case scenario is they reduce your rate permanently. The second best case, they offer a promotional rate for 6 to 12 months. The worst case scenario is they say no, and you've lost 5 minutes of your time. That's a phenomenal risk to reward ratio. Step 4. Hidden money leaks. Time for everyone's favorite game. Where did my money go? Open your banking app. I guarantee you'll find at least 3 subscriptions you forgot you had. These include streaming services, apps, or that meditation app you used twice and then moved on. All these apps, they're quietly draining your account every month, just like financial vampires, just with worse branding. Now, insurance. We're talking about car insurance, home insurance, pet insurance. If you haven't shopped around in the last year, you're probably overpaying. Loyalty is rarely rewarded in insurance. It's more like a tax on convenience. So, use comparison websites like comparethemarket.com or confused.com and gocompare.com. Same goes for energy. Compare your tariffs, switch providers, and make basic efficiency changes such as LED bulbs, reasonable thermostat settings, and not heating the rooms that you never use. Your wallet will thank you, and so will the polar bears allegedly. Set a 30-minute timer this weekend. Audit everything. Cancel what you don't need and renegotiate what you do. This one habit alone can save hundreds to thousands per year. Step 5. The psychology of saving. Here's the truth no one talks about. Saving money is boring. Watching Coronation Street is probably more exciting than watching your savings account grow. So we have to trick your brain. Break your £10,000 goal into £1,000 milestones. Every £1,000 saved, reward yourself sensibly. Not designer shopping, that defeats the purpose. Think about things like a great home-cooked meal, a movie night out, or a small experience that you actually enjoy. You're basically training yourself like a dog, except you are the dog. Track your progress with an app. Seeing numbers go up releases dopamine, the same chemical that makes shopping addictive. What we're trying to do here is to rewire your brain to enjoy saving instead. And finally, get an accountability partner. Someone who will call you out before you spend your savings fund on something you'll regret tomorrow. Text someone. Ask them to keep you accountable. It works far more often than people expect. So let's do the maths. £2,200 from controlling impulse spending, £10,008 from reverse budgeting, £1,000 plus from cancelling subscriptions and renegotiating bills. All that adds up to over £13,000 saved in a year. Now, that might feel unrealistic for some of you, but that's fine. Take it as a target. Start where you are now. Momentum matters more than perfection. This isn't about being cheap. It's about being intentional with your money. So, for your homework, pick one strategy and start tonight. Comment which one you're choosing, and I will read every comment and I will be your virtual accountability partner. If this helps, hit like, subscribe for a no bullshit financial advice that actually works. And before you go, watch this video where I explain why being cheap is secretly making you poorer. I'll see you in the next video.